Elon Musk has long wished for a more compact and affordable Tesla. If the Model Q is successful in its pricing strategy, it will compete with Tesla's existing models, which start at $25,000 to $35,000. In light of the rising level of competition in the worldwide electric vehicle market, especially from Chinese manufacturers, this move is vital for Tesla to sustain its growth. Designed from the outside, a Mini-Me with a Cybertruck splash, significantly smaller compared to the Model 3, enhancing its agility and maneuverability in urban settings. When compared to the Model 3, it may be 15% smaller and 30% lighter. It has the characteristic minimalist lines, uncluttered front fascia, no grille, and modern LED headlamps that are Tesla's. Its final design focuses functionality and economy. However, it takes design cues from Cybertruck and Cybercab, like the contentious front continuous LED light bar. The next generation platform and open manufacturing method of Tesla have a significant impact on the design. These initiatives seek to significantly decrease production costs and complexity. The inside of the Model Q strikes a compromise between vital Tesla technology and economical design, allowing it to reach its ambitious pricing point. A big touchscreen controls most of the vehicle's functions in the remarkably simple interior, which is a hallmark of Tesla. As with previous Tesla models, the main interface for infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings is a big touchscreen located in the center of the dashboard. Basic link, wireless. As is usual for Tesla, the vehicle will make use of its extensive built-in software and networking capabilities, while also supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto natively. Some of the high-end components and features of the Model 3Y have been reduced in complexity in order to keep the price low. What this implies is that the entry model will have cloth seats instead of vegan leather, fewer speakers, ambient lighting that is only available in one color, and simpler temperature settings without heated or cooled seats. Combining features of both the current and next-generation Tesla platforms, the car employs a mixed platform strategy. Efficiency gains and possible co-production with current models depend on this integration, aimed at offering the best combination of size and performance within its price range. The Model Q is an electric vehicle, lithium iron phosphate, LFP. Battery chemistry is utilized by the Model Q to maximize cost and durability. With an EPA estimated range of around 250 miles, the 53 kilowatt LFP battery pack is standard on the basic model. Potentially subsequent options could include larger batteries or dual motor AWD setups. The Model Q will be extremely efficient, built to make the most of its battery capacity, according to Tesla's knowledge of electric powertrains, reducing cabling complexity, weight, and energy consumption. It integrates a 48-volt auxiliary battery system,